Hey my YouTube fam, let's make healthy ginger pineapple chicken which takes just 10 minutes to make. This has 201 calories per serving with 25 grams of protein, 16 grams of carbs and just 4 grams of fat per serving. So without delay, let's get the recipe started.
So to begin the recipe, heat olive oil in a skillet. Next I'll flavor the oil. So the first thing is black peppercorns, ginger juliennes and some red pepper flakes. Saute this for just 2 minutes so that the oil gets flavored with the ginger. Next I'll add 500 gram of lean chicken breast. Cook the chicken for just 8 minutes over medium-low heat. So now my chicken is perfectly cooked. I'll add my chopped pineapple to this, along with chopped red bell peppers. Give this all a quick stir. Now I'll add pineapple juice to this, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, sugar-free sweetener, finally some salt and pepper. Give this all a quick stir. Now you just want to crank up the heat to high and cook this for just 4 minutes so that the sauce dries up. Now simply serve this over a bed of rice, top with some fresh greens, lime juice, red pepper flakes and some toasted peanuts. I'll top with a few pickled ginger juliennes and this is ready to serve.
So this was just ginger pineapple chicken. The flavorful pineapple chicken has a hint of ginger to it, which makes it all the more delicious, fun and tropical like. I love this because this uses healthy lean chicken breast which makes it high in protein and also pineapples which is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Hope you enjoyed the recipe.
If you like the recipe for this ginger pineapple chicken, if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section below so that I can answer them for you. Also, which next healthy recipe you want to see up on my channel, do comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.